Hormones such as adrenaline, estrogen, testosterone, cortisol, melatonin, and insulin are very important chemical messengers that affect many aspects of overall health. Hormones are produced by various glands and organs, including the thyroid, adrenal, pituitary, ovaries, testes, and pancreas. The entire endocrine system works together to control the levels of hormones circulating in the body, and if one or more are even slightly unbalanced, it can cause serious health problems. So, as the importance of hormonal balance is known to you, stay tuned with us until the end to get learned about 10 foods that can naturally balance your hormones. Before we continue with the list, make sure to subscribe to Healthy Lab and turn on the notification bell to help us grow. Every subscriber is much appreciated. So, let's start. 10. Soy. Soy, and its active hormonal element, isoflavones, has been opposed in public due to its estrogen-like properties. The fact is that this substance can be a good thing for your health. A meta-analysis of 15 randomized controlled trials showed that dietary isoflavones, such as those found in soybeans, reduce the number of hot flashes in women without any serious side effects. Another meta-analysis of more than 6,000 women found that consuming soy isoflavones and phytoestrogens, also found in soy, reduced vaginal dryness. In a study of 24 studies that looked at the link between breast cancer and soy, half found that consuming soy reduced the risk of breast cancer. These were not small studies, one of which was conducted on more than 36,000 postmenopausal women. 9. Cruciferous veggies. Cruciferous veggies like broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, kale, bok choy, arugula, Brussels sprouts, and collards are rich in glycosylates that, when broken, can alter the metabolism of certain disease-causing hormones. Research has shown that high consumption of cabbage vegetables such as broccoli is associated with reducing the risk of lung cancer. These veggies, especially broccoli, kale, and celery, are the best nutrients for estrogen metabolism in the liver. Other cruciferous vegetables include Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and kale. Research has shown that consuming these vegetables can reduce the risk of cancers caused by high levels of estrogen in the body. 8. Pea. Pea has a variety of vitamins, especially B vitamins such as B6 and folate, that play different roles in the metabolism of happiness neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine. Phenethylamine, a substance found in peas, stimulates the body to make some specific chemicals that play an important role in depression and other psychiatric conditions. Early research has begun to investigate their role in reducing the symptoms of hormonal depression. More than half of B6 and 70% of the recommended folate in a cup of peas can positively affect your mood. 7. Cherries. This fruit is rich in active chemical compounds such as melatonin, a natural sleep hormone that increases when you go to bed. One study found that consuming cherry juice increased melatonin, thereby increasing the length and quality of sleep in men and women. Melatonin production is very critical for having a night of proper sleep. It also determines the time you fall asleep. So, you can try different types of cherry juices or smoothies. Cherries are also very delicious, and many people love them as their favorite fruit. But if you have a stomachache or gastroesophageal reflux disease problems, it's better to not consume cherries on an empty stomach. 6. Chicken breast. Research shows that high-protein diets release satiety hormones such as leptin, which help us feel fuller for longer. Chicken breast is among the most nutritious foods for athletes. Because of its high protein content, it can help you to lose weight. After training sessions, it may also affect the anabolic hormones responsible for building muscle structure. There are several ways you can cook chicken breast. You can boil it, grill it, or cook it with veggies. If you are looking for more alternatives with this high nutrient value, you can try turkey breast. 5. Almond. As you might know, nuts are among the best choices for having a snack. All nuts are delicious and nutritious, but the one we're going to talk about now is almond. Almonds are high in many vitamins, such as vitamin E and A. In addition, to be good for your health and many other health benefits, almonds can improve adiponectin hormone levels. This hormone is one of the most vital hormones in the body because it is responsible for regulating blood sugar levels. If you have diabetes or prediabetes, almonds will help you a lot to control your blood sugar levels. Women can use almonds to reduce their testosterone levels, which is a male hormone and can cause dry skin in females. It is recommended that men get advice from their doctor about its effect on their testosterone levels before they decide to regular consumption of almonds. 4. Healthy fats. Fat and cholesterol are used in the structure of hormones. The body needs enough cholesterol to make sex hormones such as estrogen and testosterone. To do this, it is better to follow a diet that contains high levels of omega-3 fatty acids that are low in saturated fats. Salmon, albacore tuna, walnuts, flaxseed, and olive oil are rich sources of omega-3. Research has also shown that salmon helps stabilize the hunger hormone and that vitamin D helps regulate testosterone levels in women. Coconut oil is also well known for its healthy fats. But there is another reason to add this oil to your diet, and that is it can play a vital role in hormonal regulation and can help the body to transfer cholesterol to pregnenolone, which is a substance for hormone development. All these benefits can be achieved by adding a little of this oil to your foods or salads. Coconut oil is also very beneficial for hair. 3. Avocado. Avocado is always considered one of the most nutritious fruits in the world. Although there is no superfruit, many people mainly consider avocados superfruits. Avocados are rich sources of healthy fats, fiber, and essential vitamins. They can balance several hormones and contain several minerals, such as magnesium and potassium. This fruit has a high level of beta-sitosterol, which has a positive role in blood cholesterol levels and balances the hormone cortisol. Cortisol is the stress hormone, meaning that if you get stressed, this hormone is produced in your body. And avocado can help your body to manage cortisol production. The plant sterols in avocados also regulate estrogen and progesterone, which play a vital role in regulating the menstrual cycle and ovulation. A study has proven the fact that avocado consumption can boost satiety hormones like peptides and cholecystokinin. 2. Organic fruits and vegetables. Eating a diet high in various types of fruits and veggies will surely keep your hormones at an acceptable balance. Your body needs a significant number of fruits and veggies daily to give you a healthy regulation of hormones. Research has proven that fruits and veggies that use pesticides in the preparation process can cause infertility in humans. Many pesticides manifest themselves as hormonal disorders. Therefore, it is better to use organic fruits and vegetables to avoid this problem. To balance your hormone levels, you can use pears, apples, strawberries, blueberries, nectarines, grapes, cherries, and any kind of leafy green vegetables. 1. Pomegranate. Pomegranate juice has anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and antioxidant properties that prevent the formation of cancer cells in the skin, breast, and intestines. One of the body's strongest estrogens, estradiol, plays a vital role in spreading breast cancer cells and many more cancers. Pomegranate includes some natural compounds that prevent the conversion of weak estrogens to estradiol, and as a result, it will be very effective in regulating hormones. So, if your body produces excess estrogen, pomegranates can help your body restore its balance. It includes a natural substance that can inhibit the enzyme in women's bodies that transform estrone into estradiol and have an essential role in the source of hormone-dependent cancers. So, cancer prevention might also be up for grabs for you. The lignans found in the seeds of pomegranates destroy the estrogen-dependent cancer cells. Other foods that can be useful for hormonal balance in the body include high-fiber carbohydrates and probiotic foods. Also, processed foods, fried foods, artificial sugars and sweeteners, and alcoholic beverages can upset the body's hormonal balance. Avoid consumption of these foods to have a longer and healthier life. Which one of these foods is your favorite that you consume daily? Feel free to share your ideas and opinions with us in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.